Hello, my name is Gene Webb. I work at Stronghold Products and I work in the weld shop, and I've been here about 20 years. I get to train all the new welders when they come in and teach them how to read the prints, teach them, everything about squaring up the cabinets for weld. The raw steel comes in from the trucks. From there it goes directly to the lasers, and after that it goes finally to the weld shop. Then we'll start welding up piece by piece. Start from the bottom up, start with the back, throw the sides in, then the top, then the bottom, get the space we need to throw the doors in. Well, ever since I came here in '86, the company is constantly improving. Well, we're getting ready to move a new laser in next month, so that shows you that we're constantly replacing machines and moving towards the future.